Hi, Gemini.
Hello there. How can I help you today?
What kind of a place am I in?
Based on what I can see, it looks like you're in a hotel room.
That's
There's
right.
a bed.
We're going to look at some photos I've taken, okay? And we're going to talk about them. Here's the first one. What is this?
That's a beautiful blue bird perched on a branch. It looks like it has a distinctive crest on its head.
Do you know what kind of bird it is?
It looks like a Steller's jay with its distinctive blue plumage and black crest.
Awesome. Read this quote and then tell me where it's from.
The quote says, "Tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow." That's a famous line from Shakespeare's play Macbeth.
Thanks, Gemini. Hey, did you see my sunglasses before?
Yes, I did. I saw a pair of sunglasses on the table earlier. They were open and sitting next to a box.
What was the shape of the table?
The table was a round with a dark marble top.
Ah, great. That was really helpful. Okay, let's go back to our photos for a minute.
Sorry, it's an amateur.
If I'm seeing this, what song am I probably hearing?
If you're seeing the cake with birthday candles, you're probably hearing the happy birthday song.
Amazing. What is going on here?
It looks like a simple drawing of some internal organs. I can see what appears to be lungs, a heart, a liver, and some kidneys.
Great. If the thing in red fails, what happens to the things in green?
If the heart and lungs fail, which are likely represented by the red and blue drawings, the organs in green, the kidneys, would eventually stop functioning as well due to lack of oxygen and blood flow.
Thanks. What language is this written in?
That code is written in Python. It defines a simple function called say hi that prints a message.
What's going on here?
It looks like a close-up photo of a green leaf with water droplets on it.
Yeah,
the droplets are clearly...
why do the droplets have that shape?
The water droplets have that shape because of surface tension. The water molecules are attracted to each other, causing them to form spherical shapes to minimize their surface area.
Thanks, Gemini. What is this?
That's a delicious-looking fruit tart, topped with raspberries and blackberries, on a crust with wood jam filling.
It is, that's right. This is a photograph of my daughter from many years ago. What's going on?
It looks like your daughter is in a hospital bed, possibly recovering from a treatment or procedure. She's looking at a magazine and there's a teddy bear next to her.
That's right. How about this?
I hope she's feeling... That's a blood pressure monitor displaying a reading. It shows a systolic pressure of 117, a diastolic pressure of 84, and a pulse rate of 66.
Great. Explain these data.
This looks like a scatter plot showing the relationship between age and risk. The X markers represent males, and the O markers represent females, plotted against their age and associated risk level.
What's happening to risk versus age?
Generally, as age increases, the risk appears to increase as well, with a general upward trend for both genders. It also seems that, on average, males tend to have a higher risk compared to females at similar ages.
Tell me one health condition that follows this pattern.
A health condition that often follows this pattern is cardiovascular disease,
Perfect.
where risk generally...
This
You're
is
welcome.
a very boring photograph. Why would anyone take it?
It might be a photo taken to remember where a car is parked in a parking garage, using the section marker J15 for reference.
Okay. Dhanyavad, Gemini.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any other questions.